Welcome to the world of patterns in nature, where numbers and logic intersect to create the most beautiful and intriguing designs. Our world is full of patterns, from the intricate spirals of a seashell to the repetitive branching of a tree. But what it is about these patterns that draw us in? Perhaps it is the way they repeat and revolve, hinting at some underlying order of purpose. Or maybe it is the way they seem to mirror our own human constructions of logic and mathematics, hinting a connection between the natural world and our own human intelligence. In this roleplay, we will explore the world of patterns in nature and how they are linked to the logic of numbers. So come with me, a journey through the wonders of the natural world, where the beauty of numbers and logic is on full display. Let's unravel the secrets of patterns in nature and discover the fascinating world that lies just beneath the surface.
Good morning, Philippines! Thank God, it's a very beautiful day for sightseeing with friends. Let me message them all. We're finally here, guys! Come on! Let's go, guys!
Wow, this is so surreal. Patterns in nature are very fascinating. They can be found everywhere, from the spirals and seashells to the fractals and snowflakes. It's amazing, isn't it?
Yes, and as a biologist, I'm fascinated by the patterns in the growth of plants and animals. They follow the Fibonacci sequence, which is a sequence of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers.
And as a geologist, I see patterns from the rock formations. The layers of sedimentary rock can reveal a lot about the Earth's history.
As an ecologist, I can see the patterns of the behaviors of animals as well as the pattern of the cycle of our nature.
And as an artist, I see the patterns in the color and shape, nature, the way light falls on leaves and flowers, and they reflect between different shades in green and red.
Oh, speaking of colors, did you know that there's a mathematical formula for colors? Yes, the RGB color model is based on the combination of red, green, and blue light in varying intensities. Mathematics can be found everywhere, you guys.
That's interesting. And you know that the golden ratio, which is a mathematical concept, it can be found in the proportions of the human body and even in the structure of some plants.
Wow, that's amazing! And speaking of structure, the hexagonal pattern of honeycombs is not only beautiful but also serves a functional purpose in storing honey.
The water cycle as well as the food chains are just examples.
All of these patterns in nature are so beautiful and inspiring. I can wait to incorporate them into my artwork.
Can I see your artwork?
Yeah, me too!
Wait, are you Leonardo da Vinci's daughter? How could you be this so talented, girl? Oh god, it's so amazing!
I wish I could do that as well. Please teach me.
Alright, soon!
As we come to the end of the roleplay on patterns in nature, it is clear that the natural world is full of wonders that can be understood through the lens of math and logic. From the spiral of a seashell to the branching of a tree, patterns in nature reveal an underlying order and purpose that is both beautiful and functional. Through your exploration, we have seen how patterns in the nature can be described and modeled mathematically, allowing us to gain a deeper appreciation and understanding of their complexity. We have discovered how patterns can be used to predict and solve problems in a range of scientific fields, from ecology to genetics. But perhaps, most importantly, we have seen how the study of patterns in nature can inspire us to see the world in a new way. By appreciating the elegance and efficiency of natural designs, we can become more attuned to the patterns and structures that surround us in our everyday lives. So let us continue to explore the world of patterns in nature, seeking the unlock of secrets of the universe through the beauty of numbers and logic. May our curiosity and appreciation for the natural world never cease, and may we always find wonder in the patterns that surround us.